Good day, sir. Here's my PLC program in beginner challenge D4 part sorting by size part 1. So here's my ladder diagram for this program. Then this is the operation panel na gagamit po tayo ng push button 1 and this exporting the start operation. And this area po ay dito natin malalaman kung gumagana po yung ating program. So here's the first condition. When PB1 or X10 on the operation panel is pressed, supply command Wi-Fi is turned on. Then when PB1 is released, mag-off na po yung ating supply command. Then when operation start is on, mag-open yung conveyor forward po natin itong Y3. Then kapag in-off po natin, mag-off din po yung conveyor forward natin. Then, ito pong part na to, ito po yung sensor kung ano pong size yung dadaan. Then, kapag lumagpas na po siya dito sa X4, mag-open na po ulit itong light na to as signal na pwede na po ulit tayo mag-supply ng another box dito sa conveyor forward natin. So, try po natin. Since naka-on na po naka-start na po itong operation, naka-on na po itong conveyor forward natin, mag-push po tayo ng isa, yan, tapos dire-diretso na po siya doon hanggang doon sa lalagyan. Then another po, yan. Dito po natin makikita yung process ng pagsusort ng mga item in different sizes. So that's all po. Thank you.